Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So, I just literally woke up like this, kagigising ko lang. And it's already 11:24 a.m. and today is April 7, 2026. So, tomorrow is my birthday and ang aga pa, actually, right now, kasi normally dapat pag may shift or work ako, dapat gising tayo mga alas 2 pa, alas 3, ganon. And if I'm working at home, mga 4 will be fine. Pero ang aga pa, kasi kanina after my shift ng 4 a.m., sobrang pagod ko and konting fix, then nakatulog na ako agad. Sobrang pagod ako yesterday. I have a lot of things pa kasi to do. And today sana may plan kami ng best friend ko to do. But I canceled it. Gusto niyo yun? Kinancel ko siya guys. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko hindi ko kaya. Dahil alam niyo naman, hindi ako pwede sobrang mapagod. And yesterday pa lang, and for the past few days, parang I've been feeling super over talaga actually, overstimulated sa mga ganap ko sa buhay. Which is not good. Diba? Huwag niyo akong tularan. Kasi nga, I am or I have an autoimmune disease, so dapat hindi ko masyadong pinapagod yung self ko. Kasi nagtitrigger siya ng flare-ups. But, minsan kasi hindi ko maiwasan dahil gusto ko matapos yung mga bagay-bagay asap. Ganon. And don't worry, haggard much pa ako dun. Kagigising ko na talaga. Ito na yun. So, naamoy niyo ba yung morning breath ko? And sobra talaga ako ang pagod yesterday. I have a lot of things to do kasi kahapon, Monday, and syempre, tinatapos ako na dapat matapos sana siya later shift. So, okay na rin na gumising ako maaga kasi feeling ko I need to log in early na lang siguro for me to be able to start doing that. And magagawa ko pa yung other things or other works that I have. So, ayun. Today, wala na, ayoko umalis ng house kasi nga feeling ko pagod na pagod talaga ako. I need energy for the next few days. Kaya, siguro dito na ako sa bahay. Actually, I have a lot of things to do pa. Pero, kailangan natin maghinay-hinay, girl. Wala na nga rin ako masyadong groceries sa baba. So, I really need food and everything. Pero, ayoko lumabas na lang today. Para at least if ever lalabas ako tomorrow, since it's my birthday, at least medyo mabawasan yung workload ko, girl. Kasi medyo marami pa tayong workload. Ay, anyways, see you later. Hello guys! So today is April 8 and it's my birthday. So nandito tayo sa Bridgetown right now. So kakatapos ko lang mag-walk for 3 kilometers here and I'm so happy. Kailangan kasi maging productive pa rin tayo kahit birthday natin. So right now, I'm just walking kasi gusto kong maghanap ng coffee or coffee shop. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Hi everyone! Say hi, baby. Hi! Hi! Hello! I am Mecca Boy! I am my Mecca Boy! I am baby Mecca Boy! Ayun si Ate Luna sa box. Mag-aaway na naman sila. So, by the way, hi guys. And, good morning! Kasi April 9 na pala and it's already 1:30 a.m. So, actually, kanina pa ako umuwi. Pero nag-dinner kasi ako. Tapos, after dinner, nag-doom scrolling na naman ang ating habang nagpapahinga. So, di pa ako nagbibihis or nag-ready for sleep.
So, mag-shower na ako in a bit. So, nakaka-laugh trip lang kasi dapat April 7 pa. May plan na kami ng beshi ko na dapat namin puntahan. Hindi kami natutuloy because of some FMing mga pangyayari sa buhay namin. So, hindi kami natuloy ng April 7. So, dapat today, kahapon ulit, gagawin na namin, which is April 8, yung birthday ko. Hindi pa rin namin nagawa kasi nagkasakit siya. So, nagka-abra yung tummy niya. Then, dapat kasama ko rin siya kanina sa Bridgetown. Di na rin siya nakasama because of it. So, plan namin is to do that errands today, mamaya. So, magkikita kami mamaya. And I hope matuloy na siya. Kasi move siya ng move. And syempre, today na lang yung feeling ko kaya namin gawin yon. Kasi, for tomorrow, what I'm planning is already to prepare yung mga food na ipiprepare ko for the birthday run. Kaya, mabibisi na ako from April 10, then April 11, then the birthday run is April 12. Kaya, feeling ko dapat magawa na talaga namin siya today. Ayun. And, also, marami pa akong dapat gawin kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-pack nung post-run kit ng mga friends ko kasi kulang pa pala yun. I just realized when I'm checking the notes that I have sa phone ko kasi lahat ng mga piniprepare ko is nakasave siya sa phone ko, sa notes ko para hindi ko makalimutan. Then when I checked it, wala pa pala akong energy, ano yun? I know, not energy drink, kasi pinakita ko meron ako noon. I think I'm missing energy bar. Right? Oo. Wait lang. Ayan, let's check. Oo, yun na lang. So, wala akong energy bar. That is going to be part of the post-run kit. Kasi okay na ako sa pre-run kit. Post-run kit, wala pang energy bar. And I think sa grocery ko na lang siya bibilin kasi for sure, mag-online ko pa yung in-order, hindi na siya aabot. And for the thank you tags, good thing, dumating siya kanina. Ay, kahapon pa ata? Or April 7, dumating na siya. So, goods na ako doon. Yung energy bar na lang. Kaya kailangan ma-prepare ko na yun. So, dapat makabili na ako siguro by tomorrow, Friday, or Saturday para mapack ko na din siya. So, yun. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na kulang pa pala siya. Then, that's it. Then, dapat natapos ng talaga namin yung kailangan namin gawin ng beshi ko today. Kasi, actually, yung lista ko kanina, after ko mag-doom scrolling, I also listed na rin yung mga things na dapat gagawin namin ng 7. So, may mga nadagdag siya. Kaya, I hope ay matapos ako dito or matik ako dito sa tasks or errands na to na dapat matapos ko later. So, ayan. Kasi meron ding dumating na package for a collaboration that I need to post. So, iniisip ko na rin to do content na rin mamaya. Para at least wala na akong isipin for that. Yun. Then, that's it. And then some side quests. Kasi alam nyo naman, ewan ko ha, or ako lang ba to, or me as a trentahin na if I'm going out, sigurado ko dapat marami akong ma-accomplish. Tingin yung list ko. Diba? Ayan. So, parang, I don't know if it's a trentahin sign. Pero gano'n na ako, guys. Sobra na parang if I'm going out, gusto ko lahat or marami akong ma-accomplish para masabi kong worth it yung paglabas ko ng araw na yun. Let me know kung ako lang. But, yun nga, ganun na ako ngayon. So, I need to wash up. And funny pala kanina kasi sabi ko I want to eat or have a coffee sa coffee shop. Then, I realized it's eat something na pala nung naglalakad ako kanina. Then, when I check sa mga stores doon sa Bridgetown, parang nagliligpit na sila. So, what I did, sabi ko, okay, pupunta na lang ako sa may Cubao area kasi meron dong Gateway and other, may Cubao Expo and so on. Then, na-realize ko, some establishments pala, they're already closing ng maaga. 'Di ba? Kasi, to save energy. Kaya, ayun, hindi ko na siya nagawa. So, what I did is, dumano lang ako ng McDonald's, then take out na lang ako ng food, and I ate it here at home. So, 'di ba? Ayun, yun yung nangyari. And those are the things that I did for my birthday. Exact birthday. 'Di ba? Walking, um, eating ng fast food, common fast food, 'di ba? Walang special, pero okay lang. Kasi, ever since hindi naman na talaga ako nagsa-celebrate ng birthday, to be honest. It's either I'm at home, or travel. Yun lang talaga. Hindi talaga ako yung parang excited anymore for the birthdays. But, this year, ayun nga, nag-birthday run tayo. So, that's something different talaga. Kasi hindi talaga ako nag-celebrate ng birthday. Pero sige, push na natin yun because I'm actually excited for that. Kaya, now, I need to wash up and sleep para matuloy kami ng beshi ko mamaya. So, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Ay, later.
Na,
Ano masasabi mo today? May pinawisan ako.
hirap pala ng 1 hour and 30 minutes lang.
The shortest 1 hour and 30 minutes of our life.
Dami pang option. Saan tayo? Isa pa?
Hello, guys. Hi, Bev. So, now, nasa Glorieta kami kasi kakatapos lang natin mag-take ng pictures. Where? Here? So, we're just finished with the 1 hour and 30 minutes photo shoots for my birthday. Na birthday niya na rin. Na advanced birthday photo shoot niya na rin. And hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina dahil sobrang nakaka-pressure yung time. Kaya, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. But we're looking for a cafe para tambay lang muna kami for now. So, later ulit. Go siya dun eh. Alam mo yung... Manliligaw ka kasi.
Ano niyo po siya next week?
Hello, Diyosa!
Kiyasa lang po.
Okay lang, Diyosa. Palit
Hindi pa rin po talo.
True. Hello guys! I'm back home. So, if you see naman sa previous clips, I went to SM Fairview earlier. Hindi pala earlier, kani-kanina lang. Kasi umalis ako ng house actually around 6 na yata ng gabi. Kasi I woke up around 2 p.m. na kanina. So, late akong nagising. And then, I prepared pa and do some things here at home. Kaya late na rin ako nakapunta ng grocery. But, I already bought at least some of the important things that I'll be needing for my birthday run sa Sunday. So, nabili ko na siya, guys. And right now, it's already 8:42 p.m. And hindi pa tapos yung araw ko kasi since nakabili na ako ng pangdadagdag ko dun sa post-run kit ng mga friends ko, aayusin ko na siya, I think, right now or later. Then, I will also be preparing one of the food that I'll be preparing for the birthday run. Kasi kailangan ko lang naman siya i-refrigerate. So, iniisip ko, gawin ko na siya later or tomorrow na lang ng umaga para at least ready na siya by Sunday. Which is yung chia pudding. So,
Yun yung gagawin ko. But, all the ingredients that I'll be needing for the chia pudding is all goods na. Ready na yon. Ang hindi ko na lang nabili actually is for the sandwiches that I'll be doing. Kasi bala ko for the sandwiches is parang yung sa Japan na, ano yun? Japanese sando sandwich something. Ganun ba yun? Yung ba yung tawag? Hindi ko alam. But yeah, something like that. Wherein I'll be cutting the bread into triangle. Tapos tatlong nakapatong na bread with fillings on it. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Hindi ko pa nabili yung mga ibang ingredients for that. And as well as the bread. Kasi syempre ayoko naman bumili today ng bread. Dapat fresh yung bread. So, what I'm going to do is tomorrow na lang ako bibili ng bread. Para at least fresh pa rin siya. Hi! My cat is so sleepy naman. So sleepy. Hello, Mek. And then, so those are the things that I'll be doing. And tomorrow, Saturday, hindi ko alam, but I'm planning to run. Na hindi. Bahala na. And I still don't have a cake. Nung birthday ko, hindi ako bumili ng cake or hindi talaga kami naghanda kasi wala naman talaga akong plan na maghanda for my birthday. So, hindi na ako talaga bumili ng cake. But, I'm thinking of still buying something, kahit small cake lang for myself that I can also use for the content. And also, syempre, I want to still blow the candles sa cake. So, I'm still thinking of buying a cake. Kasi ang original plan ko is I actually want sana to create or bake my own cake dun sa SM North. Yung IDYMI ba yun? Basta, or IDIM. I do it myself, something na store. However, medyo kahul na sa time. And, kung ano-ano kasi yung mga kung ano-ano kasi nangyari for the past few days na kaya hindi natutuloy yung ibang kailangan or nakaplan namin ni Beshi. Kaya, hindi ko sure kung anong mangyayari, but yeah, that's my plan. I might just buy small cake na lang for me or tutuloy ko yung birthday cake. But I don't think kaya ko pa siyang isingit sa busy schedule ko. Kasi I think I'm gonna be busy na by tomorrow. So, baka hindi ko na yun magawa. So, baka bumili lang talaga ako ng cake, no? So, yun. So, later, help me, guys, to prepare for the post-run kit. Actually, excited ako to prepare that. Kasi, cute yun eh. Parang maraming personalized items that I can put there. Hindi siya totally personalized though, but at least maraming makikita nyo, ewan ko, mas cute kasi siya for me. Kesa dun sa prayer run kit. Na yung prayer run kit kasi ang laki ng paper bag. Ang konti lang ng laman. Tapos, paper pa siya. But for this, pwede na lang magamit yung loot. Or I mean yung bag. Kasi it's reusable. So, I'm so excited to pack it. So, later.